Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a fun bubblehead headband. First, let's gather our materials. You will need a plain headband, some craft foam, soft polyester wadding, and a few lightweight plastic baubles. Don't forget your trusty hot glue gun with plenty of glue sticks and a pair of sharp scissors. It's important to choose a headband that feels robust, as it will be the foundation for your bubbly creation. Now, let's start crafting the main bubble element. You can begin by cutting craft foam into various shapes like circles or ovals. Layer these foam pieces, gluing them together to build a three-dimensional form. For a softer, cloud-like appearance, you might prefer pulling apart polyester wadding. This material is incredibly light and can be shaped into delightful, fluffy bubbles, perfect for your headband design. Next, it's time to secure your bubble creation to the headband. Carefully position your crafted bubble element onto the headband, finding the perfect spot for it to sit. Once you are happy with the placement, apply hot glue generously to the base of the bubble and press it firmly onto the headband. Hold the pieces together for at least 30 seconds. This ensures the glue forms a strong, lasting bond, keeping your bubble head securely in place. To complete your bubble head headband, add some delightful finishing touches. You can glue on extra wadding or small plastic baubles to enhance the bubbly texture. For a cohesive look, consider using spray paint to unify the colors or add a metallic sheen. Remember to allow all the glue and paint to dry completely, which might take several hours, before proudly wearing your unique and whimsical bubble head headband.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.